Alright, let's begin by installing Joomla. And so we'll go ahead through the steps that they give us. So the very first thing we have is choosing English. We want that. It's going to check and see if our configuration is the way it needs to be. And you'll see this is one that they recommend off. We have it on right now. So there's the setting we could change in the PHP-ini file. I'll click on Next. And I am going to say that yes, I do approve of this license, which means that I'm using a GNU license. The next thing is I'm going to choose the database. I'm going to use MySQL. Host name is going to be localhost. Now, of course, if we were on a web server, then we would make sure that we used the host name and username and password that they give us on the server when we create our databases there. The username is root when you're on a local server with no password typically. And then we just have to make sure we have the right database name, which is Joomla, all lowercase. I'll click on Next. PHP configuration, I'm going to not worry about that. For our configuration, our site name will be Joomla Test. We can go ahead and give ourselves a name. Admin, and I'll just use pass, P-A-S-S for right now. We can install sample data, or we cannot. I'm going to go ahead and install sample data just so it's there. Let's go back to the bottom. Looks like everything else is there. So we'll do Next. Oh, admin password. How about I do that right? I think I'm going to make sure that I put in my email as a real one, just in case. P-A-S-S, P-A-S-S. All right. Now, you'll notice that it comes up with a reminder that you want to remove the installation directory. And it's also giving me my admin information here. So let's go into Joomla. Let's go into installation. And I'm going to put disabled. And then let's go to the site. And you'll see here is the installed site running on my local server. If I go back or go to the resources, I can do administrator, admin, pass, click on login, and we're in a Joomla site that we have just installed. Now let's go back and we'll do website Baker. Same sort of thing here. You'll see it comes up with an installation wizard. All I have to do is give it the right information. Database name is WB, no password. We'll say this is a site Baker test, admin, password, PSS, PSS. I don't think we need to worry about the correct email. We just have to make sure we have the right structure for right now. It's not a bad idea to put in your right one, though. I'll do install website Baker. You'll see that we have an installation directory that we still need to get rid of. So we'll go back to that one, website Baker, take the install directory, and disable it. Now when I refresh, you'll see that that's gone. So we've just installed this, and we're ready to get going with it. Last one is WordPress. So we'll create a configuration. Let's go. WordPress is the name of the database. Username will be root. Password is none. Database is localhost. And so that's good to go. Test WordPress. jross@abtech.edu. We'll allow it to appear or not. I'm going to not worry about that right now. We'll install WordPress. Ooh, and watch that carefully. You'll see that it gives me a password, and I need to make sure that I get that and copy it. Otherwise, I will be in trouble. So I'll log in, admin, put in that password, log in, and I am now installed. And so I'm using an auto-generated password. So it actually tells you that you can change your password if you like. So let's see, new password here at the bottom, PAS